Hi, how's it going? In the first video, we saw the different types of sterilizations used in Balsaplast and the importance of choosing one format over another depending on the characteristics of the medical device. Now it's time to highlight that choosing a certified, quality material is as important as using it in the appropriate way to guarantee its effectiveness. Because having clean and disinfected products before they're introduced into the sterilization package is useless if the package is not handled correctly, and especially when opening. Let's analyze together the correct way to use the packages, considering that it is essential to have previously performed a global reprocessing, cleaning, disinfecting, sterilizing. Let's begin. This process is performed differently depending on the format of the package we have used. Flat bags. If we choose this format, firstly, we open the cardboard box that contains the bags, which are protected by an interior plastic bag. The product to be sterilized is introduced into the bag and sealed along the open area with a sealing machine. As you can see, the upper area is already sealed. Some questions to consider regarding this format are: the bags are supplied according to standard sizes, both in length and width. As a recommendation, the product's measurement should be less than 3/4 of the bag's measurement to ensure correct sealing and prevent it breaking during the sterilization process. Self-sealing bags. If we choose this format, the filling process is the same as for the flat bags. The difference is, instead of using a sealing machine, we use an adhesive tape already incorporated into the bag. It's very simple. Separate the protective strip from the adhesive band, fold it over and press firmly, from center to outwards, to prevent wrinkles and air bubbles in the sealed area. Rolls. If this format is preferred, introduce the product to be sterilized into the pre-cut roll and seal the two ends with a sealing machine. If this type of packaging is chosen, it's important to point out that we need a dispenser that previously cuts the roll to the desired length. The widths are all standard, but the length is determined according to the dimensions of the product inside. That's the end of the second video. I hope the information has been useful to you for implementing correct storage procedures. Before concluding, I would like to highlight that on all Balsaplast products, the labels clearly show the product information, date of manufacture, expiry date, and everything relating to applicable standards. Stay tuned for the next video if you'd like to find out about the sterilization methods, processes, and different indicators that Balsaplast offers on all their formats.